Three powerful vitamins your penis need daily. Yes, these three vitamins will improve your performance as a man, will make you to live a healthy life as a man, and these three powerful vitamins will change your performance. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the three powerful vitamins your penis need daily to perform well. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, do well to join this channel by subscribing. Turn on the bell so that anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men, you will get notification to watch my video. Now, what is a vitamin? A vitamin is something that improves our health, that boosts up our immunity and make us to live a healthy life. Vitamins are things that increase our performance as a human being and help us to fight diseases and germs in our body system. So you need these vitamins as a man to improve your performance. Number one vitamin you need is vitamin D. Yes, vitamin D is a very powerful vitamin that will improve your health, improve your fertility, and also help you to perform well as a man. How do you get vitamin D? You can get vitamin D through exposing yourself to early morning sunlight or taking of supplements that will give you vitamin D. Yes, and this vitamin D will help you to improve or increase your testosterone level, also help you to perform well, to boost up your muscles, to increase your libido, and to also help your penis to have erection when the need arises. When you need a good performance as a man, you need to take vitamin D or to expose yourself to the things that will help you get vitamin D. Number two vitamin you need is magnesium. Yes, magnesium can be gotten through intake of some food like cashew, granules, orange, and other fruits and vitamins that will help you to get magnesium. Even some vegetables like spinach can also help you to gain magnesium. Orange can also help you to gain magnesium, or you take supplements to help you get magnesium, and this magnesium will improve your blood flow and blood circulation. And once there is a good blood flow and blood circulation to all parts of your body system, it will also help your penis to get erection when the need arises. So for you to have a good erection, you need a good blood flow. And how do you get a good blood flow? It is when you have a good vitamin that will improve that blood flow, and magnesium is required for you to achieve this. So make sure that you take fruits and vegetables to improve that magnesium in your body system. Number three and the last, which is also important, is omega-3 fatty acid. Yes, this one is a very nice vitamin that your penis needs for a good performance, for a good erection, and to correct erectile dysfunction. Yes, for you to perform well as a man, you need a better omega-3 fatty acid. Now, how do you get this? It is through intake of fish, that is salmon fish. Salmon fish contain a natural and the best omega-3 fatty acid, and this omega-3 fatty acid will also contribute to the blood flow and blood circulation in your body system. This omega-3 fatty acid will help you to correct anything fats in your body system to avoid obesity. So you need to always consume salmon fish as a man to improve the quality of omega-3 fatty acid in your body system. Or you can take supplements that will give you this omega-3 fatty acid. So this is what I want to share with you in this video, and I strongly believe that it will be of great value to you as a man consume these vitamins or take anything that will help you to get these vitamins to help your manhood as a man. So that is it in today's video. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. In fact, I would like you to comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Please share this video to your friends and families. If you share my video, I am going to pray for you and I am going to thank you in a special way. That is my promise. So, thank you once again. See you in my next video. Bye.